Hi friends, in this example I would like to explain about write file activity. I am creating a new process definition. Right click, go to add resources, go to process, select a process definition. Okay, I am renaming this process definition into write file. Okay, click on apply. Okay, go to this process, add the write file palette. Right click, go to add resources, go to file and select write file activity. Okay, draw a transition from start to write file and write file to end. Okay, for example, now we want to write the file, which means we require two parameters which are file name and the text content which we want to write into the file. Okay, in this configuration panel of write file there are four tabs. First one is configuration, input, output and error output. In this configuration tab we have name, description, append, write as, create non-existing directories and compress. In the input we have two required parameters. First one is file name, to which file we want to write the data, and the text, and second one is text content, what the data which we are going to write. Okay, now I want to write a file in the location computer D drive. Under file folder I want to create a file and some data to be written on the file. Okay, let's perform this operation. Okay, now I'm giving path is D drive under file folder /a.txt. I want to write the text content. Hi, how are you? Click on apply. Okay, let's save this project and start it. Okay, now the job is successfully completed. The write file activity is writes the data into the file. For example, if the file is not present, this activity will create the file. In this situation we have not created any file. This write file activity has created the file and it has written the data into this file. Okay, for example, if you want to write some more data to that file, you can give that same file name with the new input data. If you don't select this append option, then the old data will be deleted and the new data will be added to that file. If you want to append the new data to old data, we have to select this option. Okay, let's test it. Okay, now this time I want to write the data. Hi, how old are you? Okay, click on apply, save it. See, now the file already has the data. Hi, how are you? Okay, now I want to write the data. How old are you? Start it. Okay, now see, the job is created. Let us see which data is present. Okay, the old data is deleted and the how old are you is present. Okay, now you want to append the data. Check this option. Okay, now let's change this text content. Now I am writing, hi, are you there? Okay, save this project and run it. Now the job is created successfully and completed. Okay, let's see the data inside this file. See, now the how old are you is present, and hi are you there is also present. Okay, now we have written two lines in a single line. It means two sentences in a single line. If you want to write a line by line, I'll demonstrate how to write line by line. Okay, write as this is text or binary. You can write the text data or binary data. This create non-existent directories. If you want the file, the source file, the target file to be in some folder, but the base directory is not present, if you want Tibco to create the base directory, then you have to select this create non-existing directory. Okay, so that the directory will be created. This compress is, we have non or ggzip options. If you want the file to be compressed after writing, then you have to select ggzip option, so that after writing the file will be compressed. To open the file, you have to rename the file with using extension .gz, then you can unzip the file. Okay, click on apply. Okay, now I want to demonstrate this add line separator. Okay, now I am writing some more data. Now I am adding hi, how are you. I want to add this to the new line. Okay, add line separator will be added to the end of after writing this line. Okay, no problem. Now I'll demonstrate by iterating some loop function. Okay, now let's group this write file. Okay, I'm iterating. I'm giving index name is I want to iterate this for 10 times, for 9 times. Okay, let's iterate for 10 times. Okay, click on apply. I want to write the data in the file, the index value. Okay, now let's write this, drag and drop here. Okay, click on apply. Add the line separator. It's a boolean value, it's a 1 or 0. Add type 1. Okay, click on apply. Now I have appended this one. Okay, click on apply. Let's run this. Okay, it iterated 10 times. Okay, let's see the data inside the file. Now see the file. It has written 1, 2, 3 up to 10 in one by line because we have added line separator. Okay, okay, that's all we can do with write file activity. Thank you for watching. Please visit mytibco.com for more important videos and interview questions. Thank you.